Hello, what up people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ram, and if it's your first time joining the channel, hit the subscribe button below for that good sneaker review, sneaker investment content. I've got that dropping each and every week. So today I am going to be talking about the Nike Dunk High in the Pro Green or Spartan Green colorway. Managed to pick these up at retail, so let's have a look at these sneakers in more detail. So these sneakers dropped on the 18th of September, and as you know, on the 23rd of September, the Michigans are releasing. I think these are much better, but those ones first released in 2016. I really expected the green to be a lot more dark than it is. It's not as dark as I expected it to be. It is still dark, but it contrasts so well with the white. These are very, very wearable. These are so nice, especially now it's coming into autumn and winter time. These are going to be very popular, and I expect these to be very desirable. A lot of people are going to want a pair of these because anyone can wear them. Women, men, children, everyone is going to be wanting a pair of these. So as you can see, you get this really nice leather around it. It's very premium, and it's a really nice dark green or Spartan Green, Pro Green as Nike says. On the toe box you get this really nice white toe box, and you can feel this leather. It's very nice, very premium. A lot of the stuff that Nike have been releasing recently have been very premium, very nice leathers, and you can feel that all the way. So the Nike tick is in this green colorway as well. The green and white goes so well together. Inside you get the green inside, and the bottom is all green on the sole. The midsole you get this nice white around there as well. So really nice, really well put together. And I've always been a fan of the Dunk Highs. I don't really see many of them anyway, but Nike are going to be releasing a lot more of them in the coming months, so keep your eyes peeled. As I said before, on the 23rd the Michigans are dropping, and those are going to be absolutely fire as well. Between the two, I prefer these ones, but I think the Michigans are going to be performing well on the resale market. Guys, if you find the information useful so far, please remember to hit the subscribe button below for more content just like this each and every week about resale. And off the back, these released for $120 or about £99 in the UK. And right now you can pick up pairs of these for about $220, $230, which is really good investment. But I expect these prices to come down as soon as everyone start getting the deliveries of their pairs. As you can see from most dunks that have released, the prices go up before the release, and as soon as the release everyone gets their pairs, the prices go down, but then they start to rise again a couple of weeks after. And I expect these to be worth $300 in most sizes in the next couple of months. So definitely a long hold on these if you're going to plan to be reselling them. Personally, I'm still undecided if I'm going to sell these. I'll look at the market in 6 months and see, but I really wanted these for my personal collection, and I think these are absolutely fire. This green is my favorite color. I don't really have many green shoes, but I love this color, man. This color is absolutely fire, and the white and the green go so well together. So props to Nike, man. They've put together a really nice shoe, and I really like this. So that's it for the video today, guys. I want to say thank you for watching. If you found the information useful, hit the subscribe button below and let me know what you think in the comments of these. I think these are the best Nike Dunks to be released this year. This colorway is just insane. You can wear this with absolutely anything. So hit me in the comments below and let me know if you're going to be going after these, if you got them, if you got them, if you got an L, if you got a W. Hit me in the comments and let me know. Peace, people.